Guys, how many have solved an example which I've given you at home? Face any difficulties while solving? Accuracy 60% हुई या solution 60% हुई? How many have reached till accuracy? How much you get? 78. What? एक बार क्रॉस चेक कीजिए. Anybody got more than 80? नहीं. आपकी कितनी आई है? 100%. आपने वो लिखने का सीक्वेंस प्रॉपर नहीं लिखा होगा, वो आपको उल्टा लिखा होगा. माय क्वेश्चन इज एक्यूरेसी कितनी परसेंट आई? 76. Madam, 71. Guys, now you see the deviation on same data working with different people. Same data have worked with different people. Someone got 71, someone got 70, someone got 76. So people who got 70, can I say you can do better improvisation? 76 are better now. Why don't you take you? People who got, anyone got more than 80? Try to get more than 80. Think how you will write. You don't have to write the code. You have to think it. How to increase the accuracy. Okay. Now, guys, we will start with a new concept. I will be going very slow. We'll take one topic. Okay. Open your pen paper. Earphone निकालो और सुनो. Earphone निकालो. Sleeping just a fan, not a light. मैं करता हूँ. Students, guys, start writing this one. Guys, I'll give you 15 minutes to complete 10 pages. Leave 10 pages, 15 minutes. Write faster. Online students, guys, start writing this one. This is a new topic. I'm repeating. Last 2 points are important for interview. Guys, write this one faster, please. Guys, third last page. Second last page, write this and draw the tree. Do not copy the color, just a structure. Guys, second last page. This is second last. Do not write what is given in the red color. I'm repeating. Do not write what is given in the red color. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? हो गया. Which stage you are? So guys, we'll start now for the first topic. Starting at 12, I'll finish by 1 or 1:30. So today there will be no break. Okay, the topic is very important. 90% of the time, you will be spending time on calculations. 20 minutes concept, 1 hour for calculation, and 30 minutes for interpretation. Okay. Guys, what is the meaning of tree? हाँ, हिंदी बोल सकते हो अभी. पेड़. ब्रांच ट्री नहीं होता है ना? हाँ. ठीक है. So what is the meaning of पेड़? झाड़. ठीक है. पौधे. कोई बोलो. Tree is not पौधे ना? हाँ, बड़ा tree. So tree is similar to the plant which we have. Okay. Have you started any tree by yourself in the childhood? कभी implement किया है tree को? What are the things required to make a tree? गड्ढा चाहिए. ठीक है. It's okay if I do drilling over here. No. So what is required? Think very base level. Soil चाहिए. Soil is land. Water. Okay. Without temperature also we can build. Huh? ये mandatory नहीं है. Which are basic initial mandatory things. Sunlight. Light is important. Speed क्या? Seed. मुझे क्या speed? Sorry, my side. Seeds. Okay. Anything else? Question नहीं होगा. होगा ना? Fertilizer is used to increase the production. सिर्फ production के लिए. Why we do production? Okay. Second. Soil हो गया ना? Soil is a place ना? खेती आप कहीं भी कर सकते हो. आपने रोड बना दी ना? पहले if you go to 200 years before, this is also a forest. सन पूरे वर्ल्ड में है सर. अरे वो आपके ऊपर है सिनेरियो. We are talking about initial basic plant. I'll convert this into analytics. Temperature is needed. Without temperature, can we make a plant? Why not? Light है ना? अरे तो ट्री बनाना है. मैंगो ट्री नहीं बनाना है आपके लिए. सिर्फ ट्री बनाना है फिलहाल. ठीक है. आपको मैंगो पसंद है. ठीक है. वेट टिल मार्च. फिलहाल हमें ट्री बनाना है. ठीक है. Now can I say without seed can we make a tree? Why not? तो ये base mandatory है. Without soil, why not? We have artificial plant nowadays. नहीं, we make it artificial way without soil also. ठीक है. चलो. Soil is also basic level is needed. Water mandatory है. Light. So these 4 points are mandatory. If any one is not there, we cannot make a plant. Clear? Now guys, let's say you have make a tree. You implemented in your childhood, 16 years done, and now we have a big tree. So first we start the journey with seed. Then every day we start giving some water and so on, fertilizer, depends on your credibility you have. Okay, then a small stem comes. Then again. Okay, I'm not an artist, guys. Please bear. Correct? Tree keeps on growing. Can I say tree also grow from the downside? This is down, this is up. Ye clear ho gaya? I'm not good in drawing, just bear this. Now guys, what type of tree you prefer? There are 2 types of tree in the world. The tree which are only have leaves. Point number 1. Second, tree have leaves and fruits. and some flowers also. A tree which gives fruits don't give flowers. A tree which gives flowers don't give fruits. Which tree you will prefer in your childhood to implement? Why not only normal tree with leaves? मिलता कुछ नहीं है, करेक्ट. जब तक इंसान को मिलेगा नहीं ना तो मेहनत नहीं करेगा. Okay. So you will prefer to have a plant which give leaves also and fruit also. Because if I implement a tree with only leaves, I'm getting from the another one also. No? But the advantage is we have fruits. So we have two advantages. One is getting a leaf and stem. Second is fruit. So decision tree, guys, is used for two scenarios. It is used for regression also and used for classification also. Linear regression is used for regression task. Regression task means where y variable is number. Logistic is used for classification task. Y variable is category. Ye clear ho gaya? But decision tree is an algorithm which is used for both scenarios. It is used for regression also and used for classification also. Guys, what is the meaning of decision? Deciding, coming to an end conclusion. So we have to make a tree such a way that we should come to a conclusion. Ye clear hai? Okay. I'll go to PPT, guys, and read the point for you. Point number 1. It is a supervised learning method. What is the meaning of supervised, guys? Where y and x both are available. Ye clear ho gaya? A tree-based learning algorithms. So here we have to make a tree. So our algorithms will make a shape of tree. How the tree grow in the world, same way our algorithm will also grow. Are considered to be one of the best and mostly used supervised learning method. So till now, guys, we learn linear regression. We have X and Y both. In logistic, X and Y both. So can I say they also come under supervised? And the third one is decision tree. Out of many algorithms, guys, decision tree is the best one. Always best. Tree-based method empower the predictive models with high accuracy. Guys, how we check accuracy? In regression. In classification. Loud bolo. Confusion matrix. So in classification, we use confusion matrix. Stability and easy of interpretation. This high accuracy, guys, I'll prove when we do calculations, when we do in Python. Okay. This point I'll repeat again when we do calculations. Okay. Next one. They are adaptable at solving any kind of problem at hand. If you have 10 data, you can solve on pen paper. You have 10,000 rows, you can solve on pen paper. You have 10 crore rows also. You can solve on pen paper. We don't require any software. So you can do on pen paper also easily and fast, and we can also do in software also. Next. As I said, it is used for both scenario, regression and classification. Regression task means where y is number. Classification task means where y is category. But if you look at the x variable, guys, x can be number also, x can be category. So here condition for x is not there. Clear? Yes. But if you go back to linear regression, we have condition over there. Here we do not have. So whenever your linear regression model fail, apply decision tree regression. What's the answer? So it is used for regression and so for classification. If y variable is number, that tree is called decision tree regression. If a y variable is category, we'll call as decision tree classification. Clear? Now within classification, guys, decision tree is a type of supervised learning algorithm that is mostly used in classification. So we can use for both, guys, but in the industry, we prefer to use mostly for classification. Clear? Now this is very important. I'll repeat this point 3 to 4 times. In this technique, means in the decision tree technique, we split the population or sample. Okay, what is the meaning of population and what is the meaning of sample? Example, one person. Students. Correct. This entire classroom is population. First row becomes sample. Easy. Now in this technique, we split. Split means divide, or we can say break population or sample into 2 or more homogeneous set. Homogeneous means, guys, so can I break the class into 2 parts? People who come on time, people who come late. जो late होगा उनका एक group बनेगा. Who comes on time for lecture, one group. People can be break like such a way. Highest performer, lower performers. Okay, can we make people who pay loan on time, good customer, bad customer? So at the end, we required output has to be homogeneous. Clear? Now we need to split. So to split, we have required some splitter. Splitting is based on most significant splitter. मतलब data को split करना है. Splitting is done based on splitter. Okay. How many splitter we have? 4. Entropy, information gain, Gini index, chi-square. So there are 4 methods which is work as a splitter. Using any one method will help us to split. But splitting, which is selected based on most important independent variable amongst other independent variable. Example. Guys, anything when bouncer, just stop me, okay? Here we have 3 independent variable: bill, gender, and standard plan. And these are postpaid customer of Vodafone. Example. What is the meaning of prepaid and postpaid, guys? Postpaid first you use, then you get a monthly bill. So assume like here we have postpaid data. Company example as Vodafone. So scenario. Okay. How many customers data have taken? How many independent variable we have? Bill, gender, standard plan. Now why? Because these are independent. And then we have leave service. Leave service means you are fed up with the company and you want to shuffle to Geo. Okay. Can I say if the company say I'll give you monthly bill of 500 and they send 700, you'll be happy? So can I say if the bill increases, change the network? Second, can I say bill amount depends on gender? ऐसे कोई रूल है कि मेरे तो ज़्यादा बिल आना चाहिए? So can I say they are independent? Second, third scenario, if you have taken any plan, do we have any plan separate for male and female? No. So can I say they are independent? If you have taken a plan also, okay, your plan is 500 rupees monthly and you get bill 700, what do you will do? Leave the service. Ye clear ho gaya? Now, guys, the objective, I'll repeat again. In this technique, we split the population or sample into homogeneous set. Splitting is based on most significant splitter. How many splitter we have? 4. Let's say out of 4, I selected Guinea. Which one I'm selecting? Guinea index. This splitter, guys, we will decide in the software also. Okay. Splitter with splitting on the basis of most significant splitter, which select? The splitter will select most important variable. So here our objective is to find most important, or we can say best variable, best independent variable. ये clear हो गया? So your Guinea job is to find best. ये clear हो गया? Now guys, how many variables we have? 3. Out of 3, according to you, which is best? Well, why not plan? अगर प्लान नहीं लोगे तो बिल ज्यादा आएगी, प्लान लोगे तो कम आएगी. So what we do, we compute Guinea value for each and every variable. Whichever variable have the highest Guinea value, that variable is best variable. ये clear हो गया process? So हमने best variable find किया based on highest value. In that variable, can I say out of 3x? That's a scenario I'm writing, guys. Okay, we'll solve on pen paper also. Let's say the Guinea value for bill variable is 0.92, example, 0.56, 0.42. Who is the highest? Which variable? Got the point? How we'll select? Can I say splitter help us to select the best variable amongst other variable? Yes, sir. Find होगा guys. Line clear? So we use Guinea to select best variable. To select best variable, we compute Guinea for all variable and select the best one, which is highest. So we selected best variable amongst other independent variables. This line clear, guys? Anybody want me to repeat? I'll repeat for you. Now what Guinea will do, guys, will give us homogeneous set. So the responsibility of Guinea, select best variable based on highest value, and that will give me homogeneous set, or we can say homogeneous group. Flowchart clear, guys? Any difficulties, please ask. How many methods we have? 4. Out of 4, you can use any. What I selected? Guinea. You can use entropy. You can use chi-square. You can use information gain. Depends on you. Yes, sir. Guinea. Chi-square and Guinea both. Guinea is also best, and the next one is chi-square. I'll teach you that. This is a hypothetical situation. We'll solve on pen paper.
सर अगर आप Guinea यूज करें तो एंट्रोपी यूज करें तो वो 92
प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा.
तो सर वो 92 0.92 चेंज होगा.
फॉर्मूला चेंज होगा तो कैलकुलेशन चेंज होगा, तो नंबर चेंज हो सकते हैं.
वो नंबर सर रिजल्ट सेम है नंबर.
सिर्फ यहाँ पे आप क्या चेंज करोगे? गिनी की जगह
एंट्रोपी
chi square. I teach you chi square. Chi square test of independence. When to use? Category. Do we have category over here? Okay. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. हाँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है. डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, ओके। अगर डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल आप बिल लोगे तो लीव सर्विस का डेफिनेशन क्या है? तो बिल एक्स होगा ना, हर महीने की बिल इंडिपेंडेंट होती है, चेंज होती है ना, डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर यूसेज। बेस्ड ऑन बिल अमाउंट यू डिसाइड वेदर टू लीव और नॉट। क्या पहले आप लीव करने के बाद बिल के ऊपर सोचते हो? Got the point? Okay. Now next point, guys, coming on screen. Gini index say if we select two items from a population at random, they must be of same class. Same class can we call homogeneous? Probability for this is 1 if population is pure. Or next name is homogeneous. अगर कहीं पे भी गिनी की वैल्यू 1 होती है, indication it become homogeneous. If Gini value is not 1, indication it is non-homogeneous. ये clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Gini value 1 हो गई means homogeneous. 1 नहीं होगी मतलब non-homogeneous. Second, Gini it works with category dependent variable. With how many levels? Success or failure? Yes or no? Good or bad? So Gini is only applicable when we have 2 levels in your Y variable. It performs only binary split. Means if you have data, it can cut your data only in 2 parts. How we select? Higher the value of Gini, higher the opportunity. Means वही variable select होगा जिसके Gini value highest हो. Highest है मतलब we will be getting homogeneous. When you use Gini and you make a tree, that tree is called, guys, card. So when you see your job description, anytime when you receive any company, they specify card. Decision tree is a stats word. Card is a business word. Full form is classification and regression tree. Shall I move forward with example? Write this. This is data for you. Example. Guys, also write this flow chart for your reference. Okay. This is your reference. I required 7 pages to solve. Write faster. Done, everyone? Shall I erase? Guys, total how many customers we have? 40. Okay. I'll make a matrix for you. Do you know what is the meaning of pivot table? Matrix. Everyone. Right? Hashtag split one. Then you write from root node. Write this one. Split one, root node. Guys, I will solve for one case. The rest you have to solve. Okay. Point number one. Look at the data. Tell me total how many customers we have? 14. Out of 14 in leave service, how many are yes? So how many will be no?
9.
ये clear हो गया? How many are less than 600? More than 700? How many remains?
4.
That's the reason I say na data proper copy kar. Can I say we converted a category data into frequency format? Second point. Total yes. Anyone have any doubt in this total calculations? In leave service, we have a yes variable, which are 5. Out of 5, how many are less than 600? Read कैसे करोगे? पहले 5, पहले yes पे जाओगे. So these are yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In yes, how many are more than 600? No, not this one. 6-1. Customer number 6, customer number 14. How many are more than 700? More than 700, but they are yes. Guys, if this answer match, indication and data is correct. Shall I? Now less than 6, total no, we have 9. Out of 9, how many are less than 600? More than 700? Two. Matrix clear हो गया? This is called, either you call matrix in your school, we call normal pivot table. In Python, we call cross tab, meaning is same. Python में cross tab बोलते हैं. Cross tab. In school, we call matrix. In office, we call pivot. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Root no. Split one. हाँ -1 भी रखोगे तो आगे समझ जाएगा जब -2 करोगे तो. ये माइनस में हटा देता हूँ, ठीक है? आप लोग रहने दो, उनको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था ना, आपको तो नहीं है. Shall I? Now, guys, here we need to compute Gini value because Gini is a best splitter. Okay. So by using a Gini, I'm just giving the formula for Gini first. Who score less than 20, less than 18? So you two will give answer. What is the meaning of P in starts? P means what? Akash. K. Kiss. Q means सक्सेस होगा तो बचा क्या हो गया ना रिवीजन नहीं कर रहे हो ठीक है P means probability of success, Q means probability of failure. This is the formula for Gini. Now understand it. Now think like this way, you're working in a company of Vodafone, okay, and you have 14 customers in the database. Out of 14 customers, 5 customers left your company. Success or failure? Failure. ये clear हो गया definition of failure? Okay. Let's solve for less than 600. Can I say bill is a variable which have 3 levels? In less than 600, total how many customers we have? 5. Out of 5, how many have not left the service? 3 by 5 success. How many is the failure? Give me the value. In more than 700, how many left the company? 3. तो failure कितने हो जाएंगे? How many not left the company? 2. Second scenario, third scenario. How many don't left the company? 4. Total how much? This will be. Solve and give me the number, guys, please. Point. Yeah, Akash. They are giving different. Guys, cross check. Correct? This will be 1. ऐसे लिखना है जैसे मैं लिख रहा हूँ लिखो you have to make a table and you have to do calculations write the same way how I am written, guys. So after 3 to 4 months when you open the book you will understand it. Done, everyone? ये सब सॉल्व कर दिया आपने Done, everyone? Okay. Moving forward. Now, guys, Gini value, Gini formula is used to find best variable. Done, everyone? Should I wait? Okay. Gini works for variable wise. And this less than 600, more than 700 are level, not a variable. So we need to compute Gini for variable. So bill variable. How many rows we have in total for bill variable?
14.
14. Out of 14, how many are less than 600?
5.
What is the Gini value for that level? ये clear हो गया? Plus. What is the Gini value for more than 700? Okay. Total how many customers we have? How many are more than 700? 5. Gini value plus. Total how many we have? 600 to 700? Solve this, will give the value for Gini for bill variable. Done. How much, Gayatri? 6.5. Point 657. So the Gini value for bill variable is 0.65. How many variable we have? 3x now. So we're done with 1. कितने बाकी हैं?
2.
So I'm asking you, you want to make table by yourself or should I give you this table value? Guys, it will be okay if I give you this table.
Yes, sir.
Need to explain this table again. The way we have done for bill, same way can you do for gender? So first you'll compute for male, then female, and then you combine for gender. Arti. Okay, you just say give the answer. For female, total how many customers we have? यहाँ पे देखिए ना, यहाँ से बोलिए. 7. In 7, how many left the company? And how many not? So 6/7. P. 1/7. Can you give me same way for male?
3/7 square plus 4/7.
Perfect. 3/7 square. Do. What is the value for the first one? Second for male. One person will who are doing can verify also, guys. Okay. How much for total? मोबाइल में साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर डाउनलोड करो फिर यूज करो तब तक करोगे 7 पेज भरने आपको ये फर्स्ट पेज है ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू यू आर गेटिंग हिमांशु गौरी प्रतीक्षा तारंग तारंग is over here okay सार्थक he is getting the value as 0.63. Write this one. Solve for third variable. Guys, for gender variable, I'm getting 0.63. Now compute for third one. Able to solve, Uma?
Yes.
Tejas? Rishabh, able to solve? You? आकाश सॉल्व करने आ रहा है What is the value for the first one? For taken. Guys, take your time, own time and solve. Verify 1 steps. You have to do 10 steps, 10 splitting. This is only 1 split. How much is the final answer? Just can you give me value for bill? How much? For gender, no? Okay. Getting आती तीनों किया आपने तीनों का सॉल्व किया देखा ये नहीं लिखना वेट करना on screen. So guys, we computed Gini value for all three variables. Our job, Gini is used to find best variable. Best variable is selected based on highest value. Which is highest value? So which is the best variable for us? The point is how we select. Selection process clear. What is the second flowchart reference? After selecting the variable which have highest value, we should get homogeneous. Okay. On screen. What is the symbol for homogeneous, guys? The will come anywhere as 1. Anywhere coming as 1 for you. Clear okay? Second, if you do not any value, just look at 600 customers are 4. Out for every no one is there in yes. That means there are people only coming in no. So they are in only one similar group. Got the point? The first variable which we selected is bill. Okay. After bill, we need to split. Who become homogeneous? ये homogeneous हो गया guys? Yes or no? Yes. तो clear हुआ कैसे homogeneous हो गया? How we selected bill, guys? So whichever variable is highest, in that variable you should get homogeneous. So in 600 to 700, how many rows we have, Aarti? In 600 to 700, how many rows we have? Madam, table banaya 4. In that 4, everyone is no or yes. पहले no आएगा, फिर yes. This is answer for no. This is answer for yes. Which is highest in terms of mode? No. So this class will be classified as no. Can you call homogeneous? Yes. And now, how many branch remains on this side? In bill variable, how many number of rows we have taken? 48 rows. ये clear? 14 rows थे. 4 comes away. How many remains? तो ये बॉक्स में ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे कितने रोज रहेंगे? 10 rows. Now looking at this, how many levels we remains? Less than 600, more than 700. ये clear हो गया? More than 700. They are homogeneous, guys. Mix है ना? So here you can say that this is homogeneous and this one is not homogeneous. We can say heterogeneous also. Repeating. First we use Gini, my splitter. Splitter will select best variable. Selection done based on highest value. That variable would give me homogeneous. Once you reach homogeneous, process stop. तो ये homogeneous हो गया, तो यहाँ से split नहीं होगा. अभी split कहाँ से होगा? Clear? So once you done all the calculation, draw this. ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है. ये हमने फाइंड किया. Think all well? All well? Okay. You feel like it well. Let's draw this one. This become homogeneous. This is non-homogeneous. Now, can I say we do first split, guys? That first split is called as root node. Guys, we have 10 minutes. Do faster. Because I required 30 minutes to explain you then. तो वो उसका हाईएस्ट आता ही नहीं. हाँ? तो वही तो जॉब ही गिनी करना, तो गिनी ये रन ही नहीं होगा. Shall I move to the next one? Guys, do not forget inside this box we use mode, which have majority. उसके लिए आंसर नो है. Shall I move forward? Next question. How many rows we have taken in the data set? 14. How many weaknesses? 4. How many remains? 10. For which levels? And more than 700. So next time what you will do, guys, you will go to your data and drop down. You will remove and select this rows. अभी कितने rows है? Count this. For this 10 rows, again you will complete Gini value. अब क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे लिखोगे hashtag split 2. 2.1 नहीं, 2.1 अलग मॉडल है. And this is called, right? What is the meaning of parent? You can become parent in future? To become parent, what is the need? Child. Child is very important. Getting married is not important. If you have a child, then only you can become parent. So every parent will have child. Like I am a child of my parents. Okay. Then my parents, I am child from my parents. Can I say my parents are child for their parents? So here we'll have parent node, child. Whichever split is non-homogeneous. Yes. Whichever split is non-homogeneous. Parent node. So parent node हमेशा क्या? Parent nodes, and they are non-homogeneous. Correct? No? Because we have 10 and 10 rows are non-homogeneous. Split to likha. Done this one. Now write this. Right for 1 or 2 steps ताकि idea है, because you have to split 10. Faster you write, the better we are. Done, everyone? We have taken 10 rows. Can I call 10 row is a subset of 14 rows?
Yes, sir.
So parent node works on subset data, and that subset data is non-homogeneous. Shall I move forward? This 10 rows I have written over here. Again, what I have to use, guys? Guinea. Guinea will select best variable to split. Okay. It will be okay if I give you this one. Solve. The first variable. I'll give you all three. First I've given gender. लिखा हो गया? Okay, one second, one second. You have a mindset कि हम bill से start करें. What is the value you get for the bill? Do you want me to solve this? Or you will do by yourself? Should I do? Tell me. So what is the bill value? 0.52. Just cross check, guys. Cross check for gender if you have done. Right, why? Guys, cross check this number. These numbers are given by the students only. How much for the next one?
Good class I know. This was 1, 2, 3. Last.
Which is the highest variable?
1/4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 10.
Gender, no? So in gender, do we have anywhere homogeneous?
1/4 now?
The 0.68 is highest. So in gender, anywhere do you getting Gini value as 1? The moral of the story on screen. Guys, hard split कुछ नया रहेगा. Every split will give you something new knowledge on screen. Everyone on screen, please. We'll give you time to write. Don't worry. First node where you start your journey. That node is called as root node. In root node, always remember you will have entire data. How many rows? These are interview questions. Can ask in mocks also. Okay. Just giving a hint. First variable use bill. How we decide bill? Based on Gini value. ये clear हो गया? We have split. And we found that 600 to 700 comes to homogeneous with the value 4,0. So we say it as no. And we call this as homogeneous. Inside box, we use concept of mode. Now next. Here we have two levels, less than 600. How many rows we have over here? 10. Now which variable we selected, guys? Because gender achieved the highest value. Agree? That's the reason gender is selected. Now can I say gender is a variable, okay, which have to be splitted? So can I call, guys, this are child for gender? And gender becomes your parent node. And parent node is always number of rows second. Now second split, we have to split from gender. In gender, how many levels we have? Female and right. How many rows we have in female, guys? Then how many remains in male? ये clear हो गया? Any question, please? When process stops, when you reach to homogeneous. यहाँ से split किया था क्या? नहीं. Because once you reach homogeneous, splitting process stop. So here in gender, male, female, we don't have homogeneous. So if we do not have homogeneous, what we have to do? Again split. The splitting process will continue until we get homogeneous. But how many rows I have to take now? 5. Screen. Condition number 1. First we selected 700. Now we need to select only male. How many rows we have? 5. ये वो भी करेंगे ना, वो भी नॉन होमोजेनियस है. पहले मेल से शुरुआत करते हैं. There are many males in the class. ठीक है. Clear? The way we do for male, same way we'll do for female. Now which split is this one? Split number 3. So draw this diagram for split number 2. ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना जरूरी है. And one more point, guys. Whenever we reach homogeneous, okay, that is called as leaf node, child nodes. So child nodes are always homogeneous. Parent nodes are always non-homogeneous. ये ड्रॉ करो guys. ट्री बढ़ते ही जाएगा. Like we have root, we get one stem, then stem again break, then same stem again break. We keep on breaking until we reach to leaves and fruits. तभी तक हमारे leaves भी नहीं आए, fruits भी नहीं आए. And you want mango, you have to wait. Okay, you'll reach to mango. Just draw this diagram after second split. Okay. Now what we have to do? Hashtag split 3. Splitting from where, guys? I think from we are splitting from male now. Split 3. They are child, but they are not homogeneous. So they are now also parent. अब ये parent बनेंगे तो इनको चाहिए child चाहिए. Why we call they are parent, guys? Because they are non-homogeneous. And non-homogeneous means they have to work on subset. Write faster, please. Write this data. Line. Now, guys, we need to do the third split. We are splitting from gender. Okay, now I will just write for myself, splitting from male onwards. Okay. Same way we have to split from female also. Now we are working from male branch. Okay. How many rows we have written, guys? 5 rows. Okay. Same data. Now let's compute Gini value for bill, Gini value for initiative plan, Gini value for gender. Again, all three. I'll give you a table. Start writing. Split 3 लिखना है, solve start करना है. सर नेक्स्ट टाइम एक बुक लेके आना, ठीक है? ये बुक की नीड हो गई हमेशा आपको. What is the value for this? How much? Next one. Bill is 0.8 ना? अभी इजी हो रहा है ना सॉल्व करना? कैलकुलेटर से ये परफॉर्मेंस पे ऑन साइट उसी में यूज होता है. आप घर पे ना एक बार वेरीफाई करना पेन पेपर. How much? Point. That's done. Are you getting the same answer? Answer is different. Eight zero correct है? Guys, try to solve and get cross check. You should get a same output, same number, without any difference in decimal also. Rishabh, able to solve?
क्या है कि वो उसके अंदर पेलोड है
Bill guys, you get bill variable as the highest. I agree with that. I'm happy. Okay. Now, in within bill variable, do we have anywhere homogeneous?
Yes.
On screen. From male onwards, we need to further split. Which variable? And less than. Clear हो गया? Okay. Now, sure, on screen. How many rows we have for more than 700? Nation नाम whose name is Rishabh? 3. जब जिसका नाम है उसको आंसर देना है, ठीक है? In 3, how many are no? 3. In more than 700, how many rows we have? 3. Out of 3, how many are yes, how many are no? Huh? 3 yes. What is the majority? 3. We call as yes. ये proof हो गया. Now can I say everyone will come over here as yes? So can I call this as homogeneous?
Yes.
If it is homogeneous, can I call it as child nodes? So once you reach homogeneous, guys, we don't split. We have process stop हो जाएगा. Now which remains? Less than 600, no? Now in less than 600, check, do we have homogeneous? We are heterogeneous. If out of 5, 3 rows comes over here, how many rows remains? On screen, don't have to write now. So we are working on this data. Can we compute gender? No, that's the reason I have not given the matrix, because we found that more than 700 also vanish. Can I compute for gender now?
Yes. No.
For bill now?
Yes.
What? Bill click कैसे compute करोगे? Standard plan.
Yes.
Yes. One is no, one is
yes.
Yes. One second. Give you time. I agree you have done. Okay. What is the variable left over here? STD plan now. यहाँ से हमने split किया. What is the value? Not taken and
Taken.
how many are we have taken?
One.
One row. Okay, good. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 0, 1. Here we can answer as yes. Can we call we reach homogeneous?
Yes.
How many we have not taken?
One.
What is the value? How many are no?
1.
0. Yes. We get answer as
No.
no. So can I call in both the charts I reach homogeneous?
Yes.
If I reach homogeneous, we call this as child. ये clear हो गया guys? If we have child node means they are homogeneous. We reach to one side ka end. Now how to read it? Root node from where we start our journey. Clear? Parent node are non-homogeneous, which works on subset data of root node. Parent number 1. We further split from gender. How we find this gender, guys? By using Gini. The Gini play a very important role to find the best variable. Within that best variable to find the homogeneous. Clear? Anyone have any question on parent node, root node, child nodes? Please ask. All topics clear?
Yes.
Child nodes are homogeneous, parent node not homogeneous, root node journey start. Root node we start the journey, child node we stop the journey. Clear? Clear for you? Now guys, let's take a scenario. Here we have taken a scenario of Vodafone companies, where people using a postpaid SIM card, they utilize it, they get monthly bill, and they decide whether to leave or not. Okay, like we have one person over here who like tea with fruits. Okay, so let's understand what is the meaning of fruits over here and what is the meaning of leaf over here. Leaf means child notes. There are different names. Either you can call child notes, either you can call leaf notes. It is your opinion. Or you can call terminal notes. 3 names. Either you call parent note, either you call decision note. Depends on you. Root note will remain root note. Till you clear? Easy way to remember, guys, we are a child for our parents. Our parents are child for their parents. There will be one person who starts the journey. That become root note. Yes, please. बिल कैसे फाइंड हो गया गाइस? यहाँ पे कितने रोज लिए थे हमने सॉल्व करने के लिए? 14. यहाँ पे 10. यहाँ पे 5. यहाँ पे 2. Can I say every time we are working on subset data?
Yes, sir.
So decision tree is the only one algorithm which works on entire data and works on subsets of data. These are interview questions. Clear till now? Guys, the way we have done for male now, same way we have to do for female. That is a homework for you. Okay. Now, how to read this? What is the importance of that? Okay. Let's say we have one customer named for Akash. Which company SIM you use, Akash? Okay. Both. Which people? This Akash is one customer. He is using a postpaid SIM card. He get monthly bill. He received the bill of approximate 500 rupees. Is it clear over here? The person is male and the person have not taken any plan. This is the data of Akash. Now I need to predict what is the chance that in next month he will apply for MNP and move to Jio. We need to predict what is the chance he will change the mindset and go to Jio company. Now this is the data of Akash. Can I put this data, Akash, on this tree? Think like this way. Left branch, left side and right side. How much bill amount Akash received? Should I go left or right? Right. Less than 600 now. Next. ये clear हो गया. Where should we go, left or right? Where should we go, left or right? Not take it. What is the answer we have? No. This is called prediction. समझा इतनी मेहनत क्यों की है? To predict for Akash. Same way, can I predict data for, let's say we have another person for Sarang? I'll give the data, you tell me the answer. He received monthly bill and also taken plan. What should be answer for Sarang? Gayatri. Where you are going first? Left, right, where you follow?
Right.
Right. Okay, after that, right. After that, again right. But the point? Answer is yes. So the prediction become yes. The way Sarang behave, same way behave by Tejas also. What should be answer for Tejas?
Yes.
Now let's come to fruit and leaves. Leaves are called child notes. So can I call this is prediction?
Yes.
Can I call this word, the combination? Can we call this a strategy? Strategy means the people who will behave with the same pattern. What would be the answer? So we will apply the condition. Anybody behaving like this way, he will change the network. This is called as goods for you. Do we get this type of threshold in linear regression? Logistic regression? No. Both give prediction and stops. Decision tree give you prediction also. Your prediction is nothing but your leaf. And threshold, which is called strategy, used as a fruit. What is the advantage of decision tree, guys? Easy है या बहुत difficult है? But the main thing is calculation consume time. Python I have done in R software will take 2 minutes. Should I show you? Python में read करना difficult है. Every software has some drawbacks and advantage and disadvantage. Guys, compare the data. Putting this on. I'll give you time to compare if you want. Did I say? I just have run the tree, guys. The tree which we have drawn, point number 1, and the tree which software has given, cross check exactly same or not.
Yes, sir.
कोई difference है? Prove हो गया? I prove prior also linear regression. Decision tree. Now let's say we have data of Aarti and Gayatri and Uma. How many customers data we have? 3. Can I say every customer is independent?
Yes.
Every customer usage is also independent.
Yes.
Aarti have received the bill every month, 650, female and taken plan. What should be the prediction for her? This is your left, this is your right. Where you should go?
No.
यहीं पे आ जाएंगे ना? Stops. So we get prediction as
No.
So any person behaves similar to Aarti, answer will be no. Let's start with Gayatri now. Let's see if, let's say 599 female and taken plan. First where we go? Right. 59, no? Less than 600.
Yes, sir.
Female taken plan.
Less than 600. Yes.
What is the answer? Yes. Clear हो गया. Let's try with Uma. I'll change the person. I won't specify the name. He has received a monthly bill approximate 710. The person is female and not taken plan.
No. No.
Why you say no, guys? Where should we start from the journey? What the answer is no. Easy to read, guys.
Yes, sir.
This is the interpretation of model. Required any stats knowledge?
Yes.
So we have written a point over here. They are adaptable at solving any kind of content, easy to solve, easy of interpretation, guys. This word clear for you?
Yes, sir.
You solve 1 time or 10 times, answer will remain same. That is called stability. Now the what remains high accuracy. I'll teach you that when you are in Python. Anyone have any question, please ask. Everything verified, guys. And for your case, guys, in classroom, I have solved this branch. Female onwards remaining. Homework to do, solve and come. Okay. And one more point for you. Sorry. One more point. I'll leave you. Don't worry. First split, we call first branch. Second split, second branch. This two is your third branch. And this two is your fourth branch. So how many branch we have made, guys? Branch. So now you have written over here something from the theory. Root node clear? What is root node over here? What is parent node? Random. Next parent node. ये clear हो गया, guys? What are child nodes? C for child. ये clear हो गया, guys? P for parent, C for child, R for root node. ये point clear हो गया. Parent node, child nodes, root node. Now we split. So when you break the data, this is called as split. Okay. So we split how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. After splitting, we get 600 to 700 and less than 12 branches. Split 4 times. Each time, can I say we have only 2 split? देखो, बिल से स्प्लिट किया, कितने ब्रांच बने? जेंडर से स्प्लिट किया, बिल से, स्टडी. Every time when we are splitting, we are getting only 2 branch.
Yes.
I'm just proving you the theory, guys, which you have written. Perform only binary split at the point which is 2 split. Always give you homogeneity. Homogeneity occurs when Gini value is 1. Clear? This is all the point which you have written. I have proven in example. Root node, parent node, child node, branches split. Every time 2 split using Gini. Gini give you homogeneous, where Gini value is 1. If you have done with this entire tree, this tree is called as, no, I make you right. See the theory. See the theory. If we make using Gini, we split. That tree is called as art. This is C-A-R-T. So decision tree में bifurcation है. So tree में जैसे हमने Gini use किया, the name of that tree will be done for you. Thank you. Done for the day. ये होमवर्क करके आने. अगर रेफरेंस में ड्रॉ करना है तो ले लो डायग्राम. guys.